Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Foxborough, local and long distance. Movers near me. At 3 Movers, we specialize in local moves and are experts in helping you move within Foxborough without any hassles. Our Foxborough local TM movers are familiar with the streets, neighborhoods, and city regulations, making your move smooth and efficient. When you choose 3 Movers for your local move in Foxborough, you can count on our experienced movers to handle every aspect of your relocation. We will carefully pack your belongings, load them onto our well-equipped trucks, and transport them to your new address with utmost care. Our team is trained to navigate through Foxborough's streets, so we can take the most efficient routes and avoid any potential roadblocks or delays. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Foxborough moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.